Hello everybody, and welcome to my channel. I'm Crypto B, and you, my friends, you are on my crypto show. I know that the market's been a little bit down and we are having a lot of pullbacks. But if you are here for the past 2 years in the bear market, a pullback should not discourage you to jump out of the market. And today, in this video, I bring a very nice video for you. It's about Alex Lab. It's a relative new crypto asset that has gained attention in the market. And I'm gonna go a little bit deep in this project in order to see if it's a good investment for you and for me, so we can be all set for the explosion of the bull market. So with no further ado, let's go the intro and let's get into the video. 1,000 to 100,000. Is that possible? Well, if it's possible, only in crypto. So we are here in Token Metrics, so where I get all my analytics and all my stats about projects, where I research about projects that I want to get in early, because Token Metrics provide me with all the information that I need. If you want to use Token Metrics, so there is a link here on the description of this video. Go there, and of course, by doing that, you help the channel to grow even more. All right, so Alex Lab. I was searching in Token Metrics for coins related to Bitcoins. So Alex Lab at the moment is 40 cents, but they had a crazy spike. Okay, so if we go to trader mode over here, you will see if you're on these coins, it's so bullish. If you're in this coin here on this day, if you're trading here and you got in when the bullish sign came in on Token Metric on the 23rd of October, you would have ride all this run on the way up into today. As you can see here, on the last 24 hours alone is 15% up. In the last 7 days is done already 100%. On the last 14 days, 145. And on the last 30 days, 500%. And that's why this project has caught my attention. I went here to the investor mode to see if this potentially could be a project that I would like to invest. And one of the things that I like a lot is the circulating supply is all out, so no inflation. Market cap is at 259 million, with trading above 15 million on the last 24 hours. As you can see here, is on buy, and there is a 66.90% on TM investor grade, which I like a lot. So if we go into the fundamentals over here, introducing Alex Lab is a relative new crypto asset that has gained attention in the market. In this investment report, we will analyze its fundamental metrics to provide a comprehensive overview of the asset potential. And of course, remember that anything that I say here should not be considered financial advice. I'm just a guy on YouTube. So, community. Currently, Alex Lab's website visits, Twitter follows, and YouTube views are all at 0, indicating a lack of community engagement. The percentile score, it's 0, suggests that it's lagging behind when compared to other similar projects in terms of community outreach. This is actually was one of the things that I like to do this video over here, because there's not much people talking about this project. And it's very interesting. Again, do your own research, but because not many people are talking about this project, I thought maybe potentially there's an opportunity to get here early. Team and investors. Alex Lab has a small team of 6 employees, while the percentile score of 17.9 indicates that the team size is relatively small compared to its peers. It's worth nothing that the team experience and expertise have not been proved. The asset has gathered investments from prominent players in the industry, including Gemini Frontier Funds, SBX Capital, Diamond Technology, and OKX. The investor score of 75.0% suggests that it has secured support from reputable investors. And that's another thing that I like, that there is reputable investors on it as well. The tokenomics, as I said before, the circulating supply of Alex Lab is stand at 100%, indicates that all tokens have been issued into the market. The percentile score is 100, suggests that circulating supply is compared to other assets in in the market. However, the liquidity ratio of 1% falls below the ideal range of 5 to 50% into the token metrics. This score of 0.0 indicates that the asset liquidity is currently low, which may hinder its trading and market accessibility. No information has been provided regarding the current competitive landscape for Alex Lab. Further analysis on the existing competitors and their offering is necessary to understand how this asset fits within the market. Volatility and performance. Alex Lab is listed on Gate.io exchange, garnering a score of 4.0 in terms of exchange availability. It's also exchanged on Maxi, because I checked earlier. The trading volume at Gate.io is 11.6 million, and the sorting ratio is 1.7 to 1, indicates decent level of market activities and a reasonable risk-adjusted performance. The daily return of 0% in the percentile score of 100 suggests that the asset has not experienced extreme price fluctuation, and its performance has been relatively stable. So the conclusion for this, based on this fundamental metrics analysis, Alex Lab receive a token metric fundamental of 68.1%, while the asset has secured investment from reputable investors. Its lack community engagement and its liquidity ratio falls below the ideal range. Without further analysis of competition, it is difficult to assess its positioning within the market. Please note that this investment report solely provides an analysis of the mentioned metrics and should not be taken as investment advice, as you guys know. So as you guys can see here, the market cap ranking at the moment is 196. The all-time high was 43 cents. The all-time low was at 1 cent. So if we go here to the website right now, let me share with you the website. Alex, build finance on Bitcoin. Create best-in-class finance apps on Bitcoin with Alex. You can launch. There is one thing that I liked about this, guys. There is a launch pad for all the Bitcoins connected product. So you can buy, you can stake, and you can start building. The total value locked is $96,194,565. The total transaction volume is over 500 million. And there is a over 29,000 active wallets. So as you can see here, the modules, BRC20 inscription, deploy, mint, and transfer BRC20 tokens securely without hassle and unpredictable user experience. Launchpad, launch your project token, use your lottery-based hybrid launchpad. You guys know that how launchpads will probably be very good now in the bull market. So this will also be a launchpad that I will show you guys right now here, that you can take part for BRC20 projects. So that's very interesting. In fact, that's one of the things that caught my eyes. Discover the ecosystem. Alex benefits greatly from a thriving global network of ambitious developers, dedicated validators, creative builders, trustworthy institutions, and supportive partners. As you guys can see over here, wallets, blockchain, audit, SESC, custodian, bridge, oracles, a whole ecosystem. You can see here the team, Dr. Client Hisu, co-founder, Miss Hachel Yu, Dr. Chan. So you can see here all the investors, okay, and all the features news over here as well in Crypto News website. So let me launch the DApp here for you guys. So there's the swap. If you go here, there's the pool where you can farm. Yeah, you can farm, you can trade, market portfolio. There's some points thing over here that I'm not sure what is that for, but you can earn, you can farm, you can stake. For me, one of the things that I was looking here is the staking. So if you stake Alex over here, it gives you the opportunity to participate in the launchpad. So if you go here on the launchpad, and it says here, participates in the launchpad of existing projects emerging on Stack. You must first earn a power either through Alex staking or yield farming in order to register IDOs, tickets, and participate. Just for disclosure, I do not hold any Alex, okay, token. It's something that I'm looking. It sounds very interesting, but for people that like to be within the Bitcoin's narrative, I think this might be very interesting, the BRC20 project. So as you can see here, this is launchpad for that. But again, of course, make sure you do your own research, make sure if it's an interesting project for you. And basically, how you would do, you would go here, you would connect your wallet. If you don't have any wallets, these are all links for wallets that if you want to use. For example, you can go to Ladder here. See, you can go to these wallets over here, the Bitcoin wallets for the rest of us. And you can connect everything. As you can see here, it accepts stacks, Bitcoins, Ordinal, BRC20, stacks, NFTs, Stump, SRC20s, register names. There's so many things over here you can use with these wallets as well. And plus, be able to use over here to stake. Where are we? Let's go back here. So where you would stake over here. So you would have to connect your wallets. As you can see here is stake and participate on the Launchpad project when there is any project. At the moment, there isn't any project over here, but this is a project for you to keep your eyes on it, okay? I'm not saying for you to go there and invest. I have, like I said before, I don't have any Alex token with me, but it's a project to keep my eyes on. Let me find it here on CoinGecko. I'm after the gains, right? And so are you. We are all after the gains. To be honest, I wish I got in somewhere around here at 14 cents, but it has done an extremely big run. Potentially, it can go more. Was at the all-time high 6 hours ago. So I would wait for pullback if you are interested to get in on this. But it's a project to keep your eyes on. It's for me in particular because of the Launchpad. You need to go and download the wallet, do all that things with wallets, connect and everything. So you need to be very sure the things that you want to do. But it's interesting to keep your eyes open it, and you can follow them here on Twitter. So you can follow them here on Twitter. I don't follow them. Let me follow them here. So you can follow them here on Twitter in order to get more informations. They post on Twitter here, as you can see, 5 hours ago, that they will do a AMA on December 21st. So that's very interesting for you to learn more about the project, see the founders and the people on the Twitter space and talking about, so you can get more information about. So that's what I would do actually. I would get into their Twitter and join this, set a reminder, and then join them on the Twitter space in order for you to understand more about the project and if the project is something that is worth for you to invest. But they're doing a lot of partnership here. I like they've been busy. They've been very active here on Twitter, which is great. So that means they are active as a community and as a team. So I like that a lot. But like I said before, guys, it's up to you if it's something that you would like to invest, if you think it's something that will be good in your portfolio. Okay, let me open here. So if you like this video, if you believe that this video had any value to you, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and become part of the family, because like this, you help me to grow my community, you help me to grow my channel, and encourage me to create more and more contents like this just for you. I'll catch you on the next video or maybe on my next streaming.